Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about what databases are. I'll explain what they are, how they work, and why they are essential in our everyday lives. And don't you worry, I'll keep it simple and relatable. Ready? Let's go. Have you ever wondered how apps like Instagram, YouTube, or your school's online systems store and manage all their data? First, let's understand what data is. Data is basically any fact or piece of information. For example, your name, age, or the messages you send to your friends. All of that is data. Now, with so much data being generated, there has to be a way to keep it all organized and safe. That's where databases come in. A database is simply a system that organizes and stores data so it can be easily accessed and managed. Imagine a library filled with books. If all the books were scattered everywhere, it will be super hard to find the one you want. A database works like an organized library where all the books, in this case the data, are placed in specific sections, making it easy to find and use. Every time you use your phone, visit a website, or open an app, data is being created and stored. For example, when you post a photo on Instagram, your photo along with your username and other details gets served in a database so you and others can access it later. Or when you search for a friend's profile on Facebook, Facebook uses a database to quickly find all the information related to that person, like their name, photos, and posts. But wait, why do we even need a database? Why can't we just store this data in a simple file on a computer? Well, when an app or website runs, data that's stored temporarily can disappear when you close the app or shut off your device. It's all about reliability and performance. Imagine if a power cut happened, or if millions of users tried accessing Instagram at the same time. If the data isn't stored securely and properly managed, it could be lost or slowed down. Databases solve this by making sure data is safe even if something goes wrong. They also allow companies to handle huge amounts of data without slowing down. There are two major types of databases: relational databases and No-SQL databases. Relational databases store data in tables like an Excel spreadsheet where rows represent records and columns represent the details of that data. These databases are used by companies like banks or schools because they need to follow strict rules for data storage. On the other hand, No-SQL databases are more flexible and are used by companies like YouTube or Netflix. These databases store data more freely and can handle large amounts of unstructured data such as videos or posts without slowing down. You'll often hear these terms in tech, but don't worry too much. What's important to know is that different types of databases fit different needs. Let's take a look at some real-life examples. Facebook. When you post a picture or like someone's post, that information is stored in a database. Facebook uses its database to keep track of all your posts, messages, and interactions. Online shopping. Every time you browse an item on Amazon, databases are working in the background to show you product details, pricing, and reviews. When you place an order, the database updates to make sure the product is reserved specially for you. Netflix. When you watch a movie, Netflix database tracks your watch history to recommend other shows you might like. Flight bookings. Have you ever booked a flight online? The airline's database stores information about available seats, flight times, and passenger details. And in the background, hospitals use databases to keep track of patient records securely. These are but few of the many real-life examples of database usage. Okay, so how do databases actually work? Well, one way to think about it is through the concept of CRUD. Don't worry, it's not a scary word. CRUD stands for create, read, update, and delete. The four basic actions you can perform in a database. Let's break that down. Create. This is when you add new data, like creating a new social media post. Read. When you view data that's already there, like checking your Instagram feed. Update. When you change something, like editing your profile picture. Delete. When you remove data, like deleting an old photo. These are the building blocks of what makes databases useful. One last cool thing about databases is that they follow something called ACID, which stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. What does that mean? In simple terms, it ensures that your data is safe and reliable even if your system crashes. For example, if you're transferring money online, a good database guarantees the transaction happens smoothly or doesn't happen at all, so no money goes missing. And that's it. Databases may sound complex, but they play a crucial role in everything from social media to online shopping and even healthcare. Next time you use an app, remember that the database is working behind the scenes to keep your data organized and secure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other tech topics you'd like to learn about. Until next time, bye bye.